Welcome back to Ignite Your Skill. Today's wild challenge, guess 50 animal names. So sharpen those eyes, flex that brain, and let's dive into the wild side. Correct. It's the king, lion. 1 point to your score. Roar. That's a tiger. Striped success. Big ears, big win. Elephant it is. Neck and neck? Nope. Just giraffe. Zebra on the line. That's 1 point. Hop into that score. Kangaroo's right. Bamboo muncher? Panda power. Cute and cuddly, it's koala. Bear with me, yep, that's a bear. What does the fox say? You got it. Howl yeah, that's a wolf. Fast guess, it's cheetah. Spot on, it's leopard. Two humps, full marks, camel. Oh dear, you nailed it. Go gorilla mode, that's correct. Chimpanzee, you got it. Hippopotamus, that's 1 point. Rhino power, strong guess. Slow but right, it's a sloth. Eyes wide, meerkat it is. Utterly brilliant. You cracked the nut, squirrel. Trash panda? Yep, raccoon. Pointy pig, that's hedgehog. Good boy guess, it's dog. No drama, it's llama. Happy days, rabbit is right. Quack attack, you got duck. Galloping into 1 point, horse. Buffalo vibes? Close, it's bison. Orange genius, it's orangutan. Laugh it up, hyena's correct. Massive horns, moose on the loose. Santa's ride, that's a reindeer. Correct, it's a cat. Soft guess? Alpaca it is. You damn right, it's a beaver. Tough shell, easy point, armadillo. Beak plus fur equals platypus. Snake slayer, mongoose is right. Odd guess? Nope, it's tapir. Smells like victory, it's civet. World's chillest, capybara win. Lemur eyes? You saw it coming. Scaly champ, pangolin guessed. Hard to spell, harder to guess, aardvark. Wombat, wild win. That's devilishly good, Tasmanian devil. This one's a secret mission. We're not giving you the answer this time. It's up to you to crack the code. Think you've nailed it? Then drop your answer down in the comments and don't forget to post your final score too. Let's see who's the quizmaster.